Hey, it's Emily here, super sensitive human. And I find that with my chronic fatigue, the only time that I can really get things done in my life, like big chunks of writing and stuff, is when I get my meals delivered and don't have to focus at all on cooking and cleaning. Furthermore, no one's going to the store right now because of the coronavirus, so this may apply to you as well. I just got a box of model meals. That's a pre-made meal delivery thing. And I've been through a lot of different meal deliveries, but this is a new one. It's really hard for me with my dietary restrictions to find something, not really even just restrictions, but just preferences for healthy whole food, to find something that is of a high quality. So Model Meals is a Whole30 based, paleo friendly meal delivery, and so I'm gonna do an unboxing and pick one to eat for lunch. So let's check it out. Wow, okay. Focus. All right, right away I can smell the meals. These are not frozen meals, these are fresh meals designed to last about 5 days. Oh, by the way, these only come to Arizona, California, and Nevada. They're out of California and they ship in like 1 day. So if you're in another state, you can stop watching now unless you're just really into meal unboxing. So we have pastured pork carnitas tacos. Sloppy Joe loaded baked potato. Pasture-raised teriyaki chicken bowl. If you don't know what Whole30 is, it's like paleo but with less sugar. I don't really care about that because I do eat fruit. This is just because it's really hard to find a good quality meal delivery without a lot of canola oil and fake cheese and stuff. Pasture-raised barbecued popcorn chicken. Like, I really haven't found a good vegan meal delivery because they just use ingredients that I don't approve of. Pasture-raised chicken sweet potato enchiladas. Lettuce wrap pasture-raised chicken burger. Wild salmon Brussels and Caesar. Bolognese and zucchini noodles, if that's how you say that word. And then I got some of that add-on stuff too. Some bone broth, some like dried mango things. These are probably overpriced, but whatever. This is rolls, paleo rolls. Almond butter cookies. And a side of sauteed chard. So that's what we got. These are, they're pretty expensive, probably like, $14 to $16 a piece, but I got them with the beginner's $25 discount, so they ended up being like, $11, $12 a piece. Yeah, and I'll write down, see if I can find the code so you can get the beginner's discount too. Now you don't have to sign up for like do this every week. They're not going to trick you into like having to cancel it and having to figure out how to cancel it, so that's great. Okay, here's a list of things, yeses and nos. No grains or dairy, refined or added sugars, legumes, soy, alcohol, GMOs, harmful additives, preservatives. Yes, local, organic, seasonal, responsibly sourced meats, healthy fats, Whole30, paleo, compliant, anti-inflammatory, gut healing. So this one has sockeye salmon, salt, Brussels sprouts, lemon juice, shallot, pasture-raised egg from Gone Straw Farms, homemade mayo, egg, avocado oil, lemon juice, mustard powder, salt, extra virgin olive oil, lemon juice, fish sauce, white wine vinegar, garlic, salt, pepper, ground mustard, water. So I'm just gonna eat it cold because I think it'll be fine cold. I'm not sure what this is gonna be like to eat raw Brussels sprouts. That sounds like it's gonna be hard on the digestive system and maybe a little gassy, but we'll give it a go. It's not something I would do unless somebody served it to me, so that's part of getting these meals, is being forced to be adventurous. Maybe you discover something you didn't know. I'll give it a go and get back with you after I've eaten this. All right, so I made a heroic effort to try and eat all my raw Brussels sprouts. Didn't quite get there. They taste just as you would imagine a raw Brussels sprout tastes. Not that great. I wouldn't go for it again, but the salmon was a good portion, not a little portion of salmon. It was a good amount of ounces. I feel satisfied by my meal, satiated. The dressing was good, but it can't save a raw Brussels sprout. Maybe I'll save these and throw them into something that can be cooked. Insights before I edit this, I'll tag them on the end. If not, I'll put it in the comments. All right, see you later.